Hi guys! Hi my ESL 1 students. I wanted to record this mini lesson for you because we haven't seen each other in a while. I hope you guys are happy, healthy, and safe. I'm sure you all know that we won't be in school until at least May 4th. So I want to do a lesson for you about past simple irregular verbs. We stopped this lesson on March 2nd, I believe, and today we can continue learning about past simple irregular verbs. Okay, so you probably remember irregular past verbs talk about past actions. Remember regular verbs? Want, play, like. We use ed. Wanted, played, liked. Irregular verbs do not use ed at the end. They change. For example, the verb be, do, go, have. So, irregular verbs that maybe you remember. Number 1, be. I, he, she, it uses was. I was, he was, she was, it was. You, we, they were. You were, we were, they were. Number 2, do, did. 3, have, had. 4, go, went. 5, make, made. 6, begin, began. 7, buy, bought. 8, take, took. 9, eat, ate. 10, drink, drank. And we have many more past irregular verbs. 11, get, got. 12, give, gave. 13, know, knew. 14, leave, left. 15, meet, met. 16, read, read. Same spelling. 17, write, wrote. 18, tell, told. 19, win, won. 20, hear, heard. 21, sleep, slept. 22, bring, brought. 23, think, thought. 24, break, broke. 25, pay, paid. 26, lose, lost. 27, say, said. 28, wear, wore. Okay, now that you have these irregular verbs, I want you guys to go into your Google Classroom. You guys are ESL 1. Open ESL 1. You see your classwork. Look at home work. Trabalho em casa or tarea em casa? Click on Practiced Past Simple Irregular Verbs. So number 1. Watch Miss Aguiar's video about past irregular verbs. 2. Look at past irregular at home for more help. Right here. 3. Open the Google document and complete when was the last time with irregular verbs. Click on Google document. And complete 1 to 18 with irregular verbs. When was the last time you? Quando foi a última vez? Or quando foi la última vez? Got sick. For example, the last time I got sick was last year. I use irregular past verb. Number 2. When was the last time you gave someone a present? The last time I gave someone a present was in February. So, complete 1 until 18 with past irregular verbs. After, go back to Google Classroom. Please play 3 quizzes. Quizzes irregular verbs 1. Quizzes irregular verbs 2. And quizzes regular verbs for more practice. Please email me or text me on Remind if you have questions or need help. Bye, guys.